So here we have the Erbauer diamond core drill kit with 3 cores. I needed to have a core drill out in a house because of a new saw vent pipe being fitted. And when I looked at the different pieces together or separately, it worked out more expensively than buying this set. So I got this set from Screwfix. They're one of the best places to sell. And the other options I was looking at was a Mexico and a Minotaur set, and also a Bosch one, but the Bosch one was silly expensive, like 200 quid, where this Erbauer set, and Erbauer generally make good products, is around £65 on Screwfix still now, currently. So this can be for wet or dry use. It's got steel slotted bowels to aid removal of debris, and it's got it comes in a box, useful case, and with the chuck and the core drills. So without further ado, let's have a look inside the box. Box there. So let's see what's inside. So it comes in foam packing as to protect the items. It comes with an auger, chuck for SDS chuck for the drill. So that's the SDS, sorry, apologies. SDS fitting truck. And the tool for separating the core bit from the auger. So it's got a 117mm core drill bit. It's got a slotted size to help debris removal as it's going along. Diamond tips. It's got 5 diamond tipped core bits, and the trick with these is when you're doing it is not to apply a lot of pressure, just to take your time and be patient and let the tool do its work. A lot of people, when they're doing it, push too hard into the wall, and that does lead to actually cause the diamond tip bits to get damaged. It's got a 52mm drill bit for drilling drain pipes and so forth, and waste pipes, and a 38mm diameter bit for 32mm basin pipes from basins and so forth coming out of bathrooms. Additionally, I decided to buy, because I need an extractor fan for a kitchen, decided to buy a 107mm core drill drip from Erbauer to complete the set, and this was around 20 quid as I recall. So that's 107mm. And so that's the Erbauer core drill bit set from Erbauer, with a slotted barrel, 3-jaw chuck machines to allow rotary action or SDS plus, 38, 52 and 117mm core drills with 5 diamond segments on each core drill, and additionally I bought the 107mm one for a 100mm extractor fan. One of the things that can happen with this is that the core drill bits, when you're fitting this into the screwing these in, with the action of the drill, gets stuck. And so a handy tip which I saw on plumber parts was to put a rubber ring around there in between this, so that this becomes, so even after you've used it, it's easy to get apart. So tomorrow I'm going to get some rubber rings, pick them up from Screwfix, and some O-rings, and just put them around here on each of these parts, on each of the drill bits, so that once it's been used, it's easy to separate again. Thank you for watching this video.